Fraser!
Fitting in now.
Fraser, where are you been? Give me a minute.
Aye, hold on, just come in.
I need you to get into the bank in the Toon. It's by the end of the day, everybody's needing paid in siller. I've given them a phone, so there shouldn't be no trouble. Now, here's a baggie to put it in.
Aye, dinna fast yourself. I was getting in now. Hope your muckle bonus you promised was still in there.
Aye, that'll be right. Mind you're gonna get taken by these ravers. Been robbing folk recently. They don't want to have to tell everybody you've tint their pie. Just mind you get back here safe and soon.
Aye, will do. You wanna catch me anyway. Like, can I give you a hurl?
Aye, maybe, aye. Where you going?
I'm just going into town, pick up the farm wages, but I can easily give you a hurl.
Yeah, we can. Just a mile or so down the road anyway. I'll bide hopping up if you dinna mind.
Aye, dinna worry. The heating doesn't work in this whole thing anyway.
Cheers, perfect man. Thanks for that. Hope to see you again.
Aye, any time. Hope your heat clears up soon. I should be so lucky, 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 lucky. Oh, hold on, what's going on here?
Right man, he's a farm seller. Okay, you've got it. Come on it you go.
Aye, right, dinna fast yourself, just, hold on, I'll just get it for you, alright?
It's me. Alright, wait man. Hold on a minute.
I'm feeling a slash.
I came to a year ago, but I'm still just nae out it yet. Just about hit it from yon tube that played a blinding plisky. The worst thing of it was, he grabbed me and puked the other seller. Had to be 5,000 in there at least. Just you wait till I take sick of yon gig again. I'm gonna give him sick of plate.
Fraser, man. And I seen you for a filing. They sent you sprag at yon thieving ball bag. How you doing with yourself?
Well, Jim, it took me a long time to get over it, but me going back to school was such a good thing. I'm doing alright now.
That's grand, Fraser. I marks me laugh to this day. Yon chiel must have got a right flag when he opened yon buke and found your old Charney boiler suit. Man, that thing was humming.
Aye, it was. Wait, hold on. You wouldn't have guessed what I've just looked into. Do you still have that old landy in the byre?
Aye. It's not moved since the day you left. But why?
Oh, men, I'd completely forgotten about yon other poke. It went straight out my mind. My head was mince that day.
Well, come on, give us a kick inside. Hope it's nae full of yon manny's crusty old drawers.
Well, you look at that. I guess we'll have to take it to the bobbies and hand it all over now.
Nah, just hold on a minute there, Fraser. The bobbies thought they'd never catch yon chiel, cause his face was happy. Nabody'll be ony the wiser if we just split the siller atween us. Havers, that way you'd get one in every two.
Aye, maybe, but hold on there. You never pay me yon bonus you promised me. I think I deserve a puckly mare. How about 1 in 3 instead? That sounds more fair.
Aye. Alright, Fraser. You'll be heed bummer soon enough driving a hard bargain like that. You've got yourself a deal.